in this lesson, let us talk about, let's say we have a list of numbers, list of integers, right? We want to remove the duplicates. We have already discussed how to get the duplicates, how to get their count, how to create the frequency map and all, right? Now in this simple example, basically, we will talk about how do we remove the duplicates, okay? So let me create a class, duplicate remover, and here let me create a main method, and let me take integers, list of integers. So 1 2 3 4, let me keep 2 and 3 twice so that they are the duplicates. These are our numbers. Now from this list I want to remove the duplicates. So the very simple solution we have, convert this list into a set. That's true, that is one solution. So definitely it is going to work. So numbers dot stream and then collect, and it will have collectors dot toSet. So let me store into a local variable here, and this is our result, s out result. Let me save and run this. All the duplicates are removed. The other way is calling distinct method. So we have a distinct method. So stream numbers dot stream dot distinct, and then collect collectors dot toList. So I don't want to change the data structure. Basically I want to return into a list, since originally it was a list. Then I can go with this distinct, and this is a result list. This could be result set. So select this, right click, refactor, rename, and this is okay. Result set. One sec. Refactor, rename, result set. All right, and this is result list. Let me just s out result list. Let me save and run. Both should give the same result. Yeah, exactly. So these are the two ways we can remove the duplicates from a list, and this will also work for the list of strings. Okay.